Okay, good morning class. Class, today also I am not going to take your test. Okay, today we will continue that next topic, that is human reproductive system. Okay, test will not be there. Next week I will take your test. Okay, so today we will continue human reproductive system. That is second chapter, that is reproduction in plants and animals. Okay, so no test will be there. Today I am going to explain a new topic, that is human reproductive system. Okay, now students see this human reproductive system, it is highly evolved system. Okay, in male as well as in female, okay, different structures are present. Okay, and here you can see one term, puberty. Okay, this you have also gone through in chapter, okay, 4, that is endocrine system. Puberty is the age when the reproductive organ of the male and the female, they becomes active. Okay, when the reproductive organs they become active, this age is known as puberty. Okay, so basically in males and females the age is different. Okay, that I have mentioned here one by one. I will tell you the different changes which comes in the body at the age of puberty. Okay, so today we are going to discuss this puberty in male as well as in females, and next we will discuss the male reproductive system. Okay, so beta you can see here puberty in males and females. Okay, the age at which the reproductive organs they becomes active. Okay, like in male the testes they starts producing the hormone testosterone. Okay, and they starts to produce the sperm. In females, okay, the ovary they becomes developed, they becomes, okay, developed, and they starts producing the ovum. Okay, they starts producing the ovum. So first we will discuss the changes which comes in the male during the puberty. Now students, you can see in males puberty, okay, the reproductive organs they become active at the age of 13 to 14 years. Okay, 13 to 14 years में क्या होते हैं, जो reproductive organs होते हैं they becomes active. Means the testes they starts producing testosterone, that is hormone, and other they starts to produce sperm. Sperm is the male gamete. Okay, so here I have written here this testosterone. Testosterone is the hormone which is produced by the testes. Now what is testes, that we will discuss later on. Okay, now when we talk about the secondary sexual characters, okay, so secondary sexual characters means the characters which develops in the body after attaining the age of puberty. Okay, when the male attains this age, certain changes comes in the body, okay, which I have written here. First is enlarged penis. The size of the penis it becomes, okay, larger. Okay, penis it is the copulatory organ. Okay, this is also we are going to discuss later on. Enlarged scrotum. Okay, this enlarged scrotum, the scrotum, it is a bag-like structure, it is a sac-like structure inside which the testes are located. So the size of the scrotum or the size of the, okay, scrotal bag, it increases. Next is muscular development. Okay, muscular development means there is development of muscles. Okay, muscular development, broadening of the shoulder. Okay, then there is height increase. Okay, there is increase in the height. The height of the person, the height of the male, it starts increasing. Okay, and last is growth of hairs. Is video clear? Is video clear? See. Okay. So there is increase in the height as well as there is growth of hairs. Okay, growth of hairs like in male there is growth of mustache. Okay, there is growth of beard. Okay, there is growth of hairs under the arms. Okay, and there is growth of hairs in the pubic region. ओके, तो बॉयज में आपने देखा स्पेशली क्या दाढ़ी मूंछ जो थी वो डेवलप होना शुरू हो जाती है when when the male attains this age. Okay, when the male attains the age of puberty. Okay, again I am repeating, puberty is the age when the okay sexual organs or when the these okay they starts developing. Okay, they starts functioning. Okay, so in males the testes they starts producing the hormone testosterone and also they secrete the male gamete which is sperm. Okay, now when we talk about females, here you can see the age is 10 to 12 years. Okay, at the age of 10 to 12, okay, the reproductive organs of the females they becomes functional or they become active. Clear? At the age of 10 to 12. Second is the ovary. Okay, ovary which is the female gonad, it starts producing the ovum or egg, that is the female gamete. Okay, estrogen. Estrogen is the hormone which is produced by the ovary. Okay, ovary is the female gonad. Testes is the male gonad. Ovary is the female gonad. Okay, so this estrogen, which is the hormone, okay, it is produced by the ovary. Clear? Now, when we talk about secondary sexual characters, means what are the changes which occurs in the body of female when they attain this puberty age? First thing is there is enlargement in the breast. Okay, breast starts enlarging. Okay, the size of the breast it increases or they becomes large. Okay, external genitalia, that is development of the vulva. Vulva is the structure. Okay, broadening of pelvis. Okay, the back side, the pelvic region it starts broadening. Like in male, there is broadening of shoulders. Shoulders क्या होते हैं आपके shoulders broad चौड़े हो जाते हैं. In the same way, there is broadening of pelvis in the females. Okay. Fourth point is menstruation. Menstruation, okay, it is a process in which there is discharge of blood from the vagina. Okay, so this menstruation is it is a process, very important process. It also marks the puberty in females. Okay, as soon as the reproductive organs they become active, as soon as the female they become sexually active, this process it starts in the body. Okay, so menstruation it is a process in which there is discharge of blood from the vagina. Okay, and last is growth of hairs. Okay, like in males, okay, females they do not have beard, they do not have mustache, but under arms there is growth of the hairs and also in the pubic region. Okay, in the pubic region there is growth of hairs. So these are the changes. स्पीड कम है. Now beta, is video clear? Is video clear? Yes, reply in message. Yes. Yes. Parminder Singh, you check your network. Okay. Okay, beta. So these are the changes. These are the secondary sexual characters in male as well as in females. So again, I am telling you that in male, the males they become sexually active at the age of 13 to 14. So 13 to 14 is the puberty. It is the beginning of the puberty. Okay. And in female, the age is 10 to 12 years. Clear? All the characters are clear? Reply in message. Yes. Okay. Okay, beta. Next is role of hormones. Now, students, you know that the testes, which is male gonad, this testes, it is the male gonad and it produces the hormone testosterone. Okay, and ovary, it is the female gonad and it produces the female hormone, which is known as estrogen. So, now what is the importance of hormone in the body? These hormones, okay, hormones helps in the process of gametogenesis. Okay, gametogenesis, the definition of gametogenesis is it is a process in which there is formation of gamete. Okay, there is formation of gamete. Now, see is okay. So testes these produce the male gametes which are known as sperm and female gamete which is known as ovum, ova or egg. So this female gamete it is produced by the ovary. So you have to remember that the male gonad is testes and the female gonad is ovary. Okay, male gonad that is testes it produce the okay male gamete which is known as sperm. Okay, and ovary it produces the female gamete which is known as ovum, ova or egg. Okay, and later on this sperm and this ovum they fuse together to form a new structure which is known as zygote. Okay, this we will discuss at last. Students, next we are going to discuss this male reproductive system. Okay, male reproductive system, it comprises of these organs. Okay, first is testes, this already I have told you. Second is scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, and penis. Okay, now see this testes, these are the male gonads and they produce sperm. Okay, now scrotum. Scrotum is a bag-like structure or a sac-like structure which is located just outside the abdominal cavity. And inside this scrotum, there is testes. Okay, and the temperature in this scrotum is lower than the temperature of the body. Okay, 1 to 3 degrees Celsius, there is a difference between the normal temperature of the body and the temperature of the scrotum. So the temperature of the scrotum is lower in order for to the okay. Why temperature of scrotum is lower? Because lower temperature helps in production of sperms. Okay, so this scrotum is a bag-like structure or a sac-like structure which is located outside the abdominal cavity. Okay, and inside scrotum, what is present? Testes. Now, what happens? Through this scrotum, there is a tube-like structure which is known as vas deferens. Okay, it carries the sperm. Okay, next is urethra. Urethra, again, it is a tube-like structure which carries both urine as well as sperm. Okay, and penis, this is the copulatory organ. Okay, this penis, it is used to transfer, it is secondary sexual organ, it is used to transfer the sperm. Okay, it helps in transportation of sperm. Now students, you can see this is the male reproductive system, and I have already told you the organs of the male reproductive system. That is, first is this testes, okay, then scrotum, vas deferens, okay, urethra, and this one. This is the penis. Okay, now see, here you can see this dark, okay, circle. This dark circle or dark region, it is the scrotum. Okay, it is the bag-like structure, and this scrotum, it holds this testes. Okay, this is the male gonad. This testes is the male gonad, and inside this testes there is production of testosterone, that is male hormone. Also, there is production of sperm, which is male gamete. So there is production of testosterone, which is male hormone, and there is production of sperm, which is the male gamete. Okay. Now what happens? You can see here there is a tube. Okay, this tube-like structure, it is known as vas deferens, and this sperm, it travels through this tube. Okay. Now, in the path, on the way from urinary bladder, okay, one tube it joins this vas deferens, and they form a common tube, okay, which is known as urethra. Okay, this is a common tube. It is known as urethra. Now this urethra, okay, it is only single, okay, tube which carries both urine as well as sperm. Okay, this tube is outlet for the transportation of sperm as well as urine. Okay, and here you can see a muscular structure outside this urethra which is known as penis, and this penis, it comprises of tissues. Okay, and when this tissue they filled with blood, it becomes erect, and then it transports the sperm. Okay, so this is the structure of the male reproductive system. Okay, is this clear? Reply in message. Is this clear? Okay. So students, this is the path which the sperms takes, okay, to reach to the urethra or to reach to the penis. Now see, testes, what it does, it produces the testosterone, that is hormone, and it produces the sperm. This sperm, it is carried by the help of vas difference. Okay, then seminal vesicle. This seminal vesicle is a structure which adds mucus. Okay, this seminal vesicle it adds mucus. Mucus is sticky fluid. Okay, and fructose. Okay, then again it is carried to that urethra, and in the on the path there is prostate gland as well as Cowper's gland, and this prostate gland and Cowper glands they again add some secretion, okay, alkaline secretion, and they add some mucus to this sperm, and ultimately this urethra, okay, it is the outlet for the urine as well as for the sperm. So there is a single outlet for urine as well as for the sperm in male. Okay, so this is the path taken by the sperm. Clear? Clear? Reply in message. Explain in Hindi. Beta, now if you have any doubt, you can ask. हिंदी में मुझे नाम ही नहीं पता यार. Explain in Hindi. एक ही बार. Okay बेटा पारस, listen. बेटा जो टेस्टीज होती हैं टेस्टीज ये क्या मेल गोनाड्स हैं. ओके, और ये टेस्टिस क्या करती है, टेस्टोस्टेरोन जो कि मेल हार्मोन है, और स्पर्म जो कि मेल गैमीट है, इसको क्या करती है, प्रोड्यूस करती है. ठीक है. अब ये जो टेस्टिस है इससे जो स्पर्म है वो क्या एक ट्यूब के थ्रू, जिस ट्यूब का नाम है वास डिफरेंस. ओके, ये ट्यूब क्या करती है, स्पर्म को कैरी करती है, और कैरी करते हुए क्या होता है रास्ते में यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. ओके, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर से एक ट्यूब क्या करती है वास डिफरेंस को ज्वाइन करती है. ओके, और फिर ये एक कॉमन ट्यूब बन जाती है जिसका नाम है यूरेथ्रा. ओके, और यूरेथ्रा तक आते आते बीच में क्या है कुछ जैसे स्टॉपेजेस आते हैं हमारे बस स्टैंड बस स्टॉप. ओके, वैसे ही बीच में कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स आते हैं जैसे सेमिनल वेसाइकल. तो सेमिनल वेसाइकल उस स्पर्म में क्या ऐड करता है, म्यूकस, और साथ में क्या ऐड करता है, फ्रुक्टोज. ओके, वैसे ही प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड आता है, काउपर्स ग्लैंड आता है, तो ये सारे क्या करते हैं इस स्पर्म में म्यूकस. ओके, म्यूकस क्या होता है, स्टिकी फ्लूइड, उसको ऐड करते हैं, और साथ में क्या कुछ एल्कलाइन फ्लूइड भी ऐड करते हैं इसमें. ठीक है, और अल्टीमेटली ये स्पर्म कहाँ जाता है, यूरेथ्रा में. और यूरेथ्रा एक कॉमन ओपनिंग है इसके लिए, फॉर यूरिन एज वेल एज फॉर द स्पर्म. ओके पारस, इज दिस क्लियर? ओके बेटा. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, beta. So next week we will continue this chapter. Okay, we will continue with female reproductive system, and then I will take test of this chapter. Okay. Thank you, class. तो वो हिंदी में पढ़ा लेते हैं ना.